Yeah, hey everybody. So today I wanted to show you a really quick hack for amping up your affiliate conversions. One of the things that I had shared a couple of days ago was an affiliate marketing campaign that we had run actually on this site in conjunction with a couple other sites in the spiritual growth niche. These are all directories that had generated about $65,000 worth of affiliate commissions. And I got a lot of questions from folks on how to actually facilitate the affiliate piece of this. So there's a lot to that I covered in that video. I'm not going to cover here, but I want to share really something that's super simple that everyone can do. That it's a two-step thing that really has been dramatically effective for us. So the first step is installing the DW promo bar, which is a plugin. It's available, I think, free from the WordPress repository. And I think it's Design Wall is the development house that puts it out. I've had this for years. I run it on a number of different sites. It's ideal for affiliate offers. And you're just going to install that and then put your most prominent ad in that space. All right. So I don't want to show you the back end of this, but actually I will. Why not? All right, let's go here. Let me think. Where is it? Settings, DW promo bar. And this is how you set it up. All right, here's the text message. Free 6-minute medium readings by phone. Link text. This is the important part. Claim your free reading by April 12th. And then here is my affiliate link, which is just a tracking link I'm using to not only track clicks, but also to ensure that I get credit whenever someone or we get credit. This is not just me for any conversions that happen. All right. So again, you're just going to install that from the plugins here within your WordPress dash. It should be free. If it's no longer free, because some of their old plugins they've now converted to paid plugins, although I think this one's still free, you can find an analog to this. There are plenty of top bar, bottom bar style, sticky footer, sticky header kind of plugins you can get for free. All right, so that's step one. Step two is this is really so dummy simple, it's almost embarrassing to admit, but I started to change the date. Well, I mean, you have to do this every day, obviously, which is a little bit of a pain in the ass, but just changing the date has like tripled the conversion rate on this on the click through here. So when I just had free 6-minute readings by phone, claim your free reading, it would get XYZ amount of clicks. So if 1,000 people visited this site in a day, it would get X amount of clicks, whereas X was just a standard, number relative to any other site or conversion metric. But when I actually changed it to have a date, and I just started doing this the last week or so, it's gone up by like 300%. Like every day I just change this date, and every day, the conversions have remained statistically consistent and consistently higher by a factor of about 3. So try that. I mean, the only burden this puts on you is you have to go log in every day to that dashboard area and just change this to the current date. Or what I actually did yesterday, because I knew today was going to be a busy day for me, is I just changed it yesterday to by April 12th. Yesterday was April 11th. So this gives me a 48-hour window to have this be current, rather than having to do it, every day. So today I might change this to April 14th, just because this site's not really that important to me, and I really don't want to log into this every day to remember to make this change. I also have to do this on 3 or 4 different similar directories. So it's kind of a pain in the ass to do it on 4 sites. But anyway, that really has been incredibly effective, and I recommend you try it, especially for those of you who are just starting to run affiliate offers as per the video I did on the 65K promotion that we ran and that was published last week, so that's available on my YouTube channel as well. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I hope this helps you get started with your own affiliate marketing on your own directories. The other thing I'll say is a plugin like this will work on any directory. So you could be running My Listing, Listing Pro. This is running Vantage 4.0. You could run this on Listing Easy, on Listify, Listable. It really matters not. This is universally, on any WordPress theme, it sticks to the top of the navigational element. All right. Again, hope it helps. And if you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask. Thanks.